North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy Neiah Mawdiangdiang Rkc-Rakhe ya World Homeopathy de RiKhasi balang kabadai Sngi kaba aspa de pusar jong Dr. Samuel Hahnemann nongseng ya rukom Sumar Dawai Mapatik hakani Rkc ladon langru ki Dr. Mapatik bapau nam na kiwe pat ki jala jong kathan setai lam ingi Dr. Samuel Kumar Batacharya Director ke Institute Bolongru Kongsan haka jingkan jungu lokren halo ke jing baki dawai bat ki rukom Sumar Mapatik kia kendo hakini ki Sngi bamenta
Dr. Samuel Frederick Christian Hahnemann, who born on 10th April in the year 1755. He lived for only 88 years. But during his lifetime, he created many things and he established this system. And today, I feel this with honor to him, but at the same time, some disgrace to we, his followers, that what he did in his only 88 years lifetime, we could not move much ahead after his time. That is our failure. Till date, we are restricted on his discoveries. For the development of homeopathy, for the belief of homeopathy, there is a problem, I am telling you. Only creating some evidence will not solve. Till date, the pathway of action of homeopathic medicine is not well established. We have given some philosophical explanations, but that is not sufficient for the scientific world. And we homeopaths are not capable of doing that, for which we are looking forward towards the scientists. And when I was the director, I took some initiative. At that time, the advisor of Government of India was Dr. S.P. Singh. Both of us tried to involve this homeopathic system with some scientists of different areas who are working on physics and chemistry and different scientific areas. There was little bit progress, but the progress was not sufficient enough to show you the pathway of action of homeopathic medicine. That is a very problem for us. Unless that path is clearly given, introduced or displayed, it is difficult. Only by giving clinical practice you cannot establish to the scientific world. But what I am telling you, the students who are reading here, mind it, homeopathy is surviving on its clinical practice. Even when there was no recognition from the government, the homeopathy survived. If you learn homeopathy properly, if you understand the methods of treating and curing the cases, whether it is established scientifically or not, people will not bother for it. People will come to you. Even you need not, yes, job is required. If government gives jobs, it's good. But when we were students, we did not come to homeopathy for a job. Accidentally we got the job. We came, we knew, only we will have to survive by practice. And if you understand that, you will have to survive with practice. And if you learn the art of prescribing and treating patients properly, I am telling you, people will come to you and you will earn their respect from their core of the heart. You need not have a government job for that.
Dr. CAR Dingdo CDC kanihu ibalalong ikongsan sembut hakani kejeraki ilaong bawat lada kidawai ba rukom Sumar Mapatik kadai ba kibrio kidang aratian Henry mentapan kadai rukom Sumar kwabiang hakababun kibrio kilas dang banyabe.
The Ayush project is one of the pet projects of the government of India. India, as such, in the world, it has the biggest homeopathic drug manufacturers and traders in the country. It is not only the celebration of the birth anniversary of the founder of homeopathy, Dr. Hahnemann. At the same time, it projects in front of us, each one of us, to understand on this day the challenges and future strategies to develop homeopathy even further. It also creates awareness about the alternative system of medicine and to improve accessibility and success rates. The World Homeopathic Day also brings the communities together in order to innovate, reinvent, and modernize the system of medicine so that many people around the globe can reap from its benefits. Now coming to Neiah, the Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy. This is a newly established institution, autonomous institution under the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. I think many of us are aware that in 2008, it was the Union Cabinet, the Government of India, which gave its nod, which gave its approval to the establishment of this institute in Shillong. So the basic aim of establishing such an institute in this part of our country, in the northeast of India, is to provide health care to the people of the northeastern region. We all know about it. And it also promotes and popularizes the system of alternative medicine of Ayurveda and homeopathy. It also creates awareness among the general masses so that they are more into the understanding and effectiveness and potential of Ayurveda as well as that of homeopathy.
Hakani kejeraki lapun ko buramru yaki prangut ki Dr. Mapatik na kijala ba fair kani kathan jte lamingi kuntubru i Dr. D. Kharaswai Registrar State Board of Homeopathic Medicine jong kijala meglia.